Fam. This just looks like a normal game, but the truth is, I am making money from it. Let me show you. The best part about this game is whilst you're playing it, you're going to make some free money, which you can later withdraw this free money straight to your mobile money account, right? So you play a game on just your mobile phone and you make money online and withdraw this money straight to your mobile money account. If you don't have a bank account or a PayPal account, or let's say a Binance account, you can simply make money from it. And this is actually a Ghanaian-based website which allows you to make money online in Ghana straight to your mobile money account. So let me show you how you can make money from this particular website. And if you haven't already, then give this video a like because I want you. To get started to this website, you need to register an account, which is actually simple, by the way. First, what you need to do is head on here and enter in your name right here, which is Godfred, right? So let's do that. Now when that's done, head on here and then enter in your mobile number right here, your email, and click on the get verification code. And you're actually going to receive a code right here. Now enter in your password and click on the register to actually have an account for this game. Here is how it works. You just get to this game right here, and what you'll be doing that you'll be actually buying some seeds, planting these seeds, taking care of it until it germinates. So once it germinates, or let me say grows, you harvest this seed and you get some coins, and you're going to withdraw these coins as real Ghana cedi. 100 of these coins actually 1 Ghana cedis, and I think about 7,000 of these coins actually 70 Ghana cedis. And yeah, so 16,000 of these coins actually 160 Ghana cedis, and 10,000 of these coins is how much? 100 Ghana cedis. So you can simply make some Ghana cedis for free from this particular website right here. So let me show you how you can simply make money from it. So once you get to this website right here, you just need to simply sign up to this game right here by entering your email, your number, your password, and that will be only it. Right? So once you get there, I'm going to give you some free seed to actually plant it and try to grow that seed. And every time it germinates, it takes about 1 minute for you to actually harvest it. So once it grows and you harvest, I'm going to get some coins from harvesting your products right there. So when you get enough coins, you can just simply head on there and make some money from it. So let me take you to my phone and let me show you the step-by-step guide of you making money from this game right here. First, this one I'll tell you guys, let me click on it. Not this one, let me click on this one right here. And now as you can see, this 15 coins. So let me just click on this one too here. Next one is this 8. So you can be planting this every single time, actually harvesting it and make money from it as time goes, right? And it's just like farming, like just farming in a regular farming. But this one, doing it a game and getting paid, which is fun, relaxing, and you make money from it. Let's do it. And if you don't know how the game looks like, there is it right here. So when you just first get started, they're going to give you some free seed. So you're going to actually choose this seed right here. I'm going to plant it. Once it has been planted, you have to actually water it, remove some pests from it, and all of those kind of things. I mean, take care of this plant. So they're going to give you some free watering can so that you can use to water, and some free pest insecticides. But the catch is, if you continue using the pest, or if you continue watering and you want it to grow fast, you need to actually buy the water from this person, which you're going to use the coins to actually buy this water. Yeah, I've actually harvested one here. Let me just click on that. Yeah, the fact that you don't actually think of making money, but you make money from it, is actually fun, because they have made this app for you to make money, but how's you're doing, they're actually having fun at the same time, which is amazing. So don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos like this. So click on that subscribe button. Let's continue. Now it's time to make some more money from it, because every time I harvest this thing, it's like 15 coins, 40 coins, which is not going to give me a lot of gain, because 100 coins about 1 Ghana cedis, and I need to be making about 100 Ghana cedis every hour. So if you want to actually earn more money, then what you get to do is that you have to buy some seeds from this game right here and plant to actually make more profit from it, right? So to buy some seed from this website, right, just head on to the store right here. And for the store, they have multiple seeds that you can actually buy and actually use it on your farm. So I'm going to buy the chili pepper right here, which is for about 7,000 coins, which is 70 Ghana cedis. So what you're going to do is they're going to actually deposit some money into this side, buy the chili pepper, and make profit from it. So what you're going to do, that you're going to head on to the top up right here. And for the top up, we're going to choose the Momo method. So we're going to use the MTN, right? And here they're going to give us the number and the name to send the money to. So once you send the money to this particular number, just head on here and copy our transaction ID and paste it in right here. So once that done, just wait for about some minutes. Just wait for some minutes. You're going to see your money being reflected in your account, just like this one right here. You're going to use this 7,000 coins to actually buy a seed, right? So head on to the store right here, and then as you can see the fund, they have some various type of farms right here, but each one of them have their price. So we're going to head on and use the pepper one right here. We're going to buy the chili pepper one. You're going to buy it one, so buy one here. Let's can see success. So we're going to use this chili pepper to plant, actually make profit from it, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to actually head on to this plot right here, sorry, this one right here, and then we're going to plant the chili pepper there, right? So plant the chili pepper here, and yeah, so it's gonna take me about how many, 3 hours 39 minutes to actually ripe, and I'm actually going to make profit from it. So these are one of the ways that you can actually make money from this particular website right here. And also, not only that, actually people here actually playing this game and actually making money from it, right? So head on to the hole right here, you can see that people are actually making a lot of coins, which is about thousands of CDs being made from this particular website, right? As you can see right here, people are actually using this site and making money from it. So I think every time you harvest, you're going to get about 40 coins. So if you harvest for about 3 times, you have made more than 1 Ghana. So you can actually make about 20 Ghana, 30 Ghana cedis a day if you're actually on this particular website harvesting and actually making money from it. It's actually complicated at first, but if you want to know all about it and how you can simply step by step make money from it, then make sure to join my Telegram group, which I'll be leaving my Telegram group link in the description down below, also with the link of this particular game right here. So just head on there, click on it. So let me just play around with this game, make some money, and after I've made enough money, you're going to withdraw this money straight to my money account. So let's do it. Okay, so I've been playing around this game for a while now, and I've earned some money, which I want to withdraw this money straight to my money account. So I've earned a lot of coins right here. So let's just head on to withdraw this money straight to my money account. So let me just take you to my phone. Let me show you all you need to know about your withdrawing, right? So let's do it. I've been playing around this game for a while and I've earned some coins in my account right, which I'm going to withdraw these coins straight to my money account. So I'll be showing how you can withdraw. Before that, if you haven't already, please give this video a like, because how on today is a free game that you play online and make money straight to my money account. Right? So give this video a like and don't forget to click on the subscribe button, go on notification bell so you receive any video that I upload on this particular channel right. So after making enough money, you want to actually withdraw, just head on here. And as you can see, you have the bank right here. As you can see in the game, you have the bank right, so you can simply head on there and then click on it and actually withdraw your money, or you can simply click on the mine right here, and you can simply head on to the withdraw your coin that you already have in your account right. So these are the two ways that you can simply withdraw, right? So I'll be actually heading on and withdrawing my coins straight to my money account, right? So let's withdraw, right? So head on to the bank here, let's click on that. 45,000 coins, right, which is about 455 Ghana cedis. So let's just head on and click on the add right here. You're going to add the wallet, which is our MTN, right? We're going to add the account right here, which is our phone number, right? So let's do that. Now this is all done. Just simply head on and click on the submit right here. So submit. As you can see right here, I'm actually buying our account today. So let's just head on and withdraw our coins, right? So and then click on the account as you receive the money, which is this one. I click on OK, and you actually withdrawing 455 Ghana cedis, right? So okay, so as you can see, success right here, and yeah, you have actually withdraw our 455 Ghana cedis so to my money account. So it has been a while now from this game that I've been playing, and I've actually withdrawn the money, and now the money have actually arrived in my money account, right? So I withdraw about 450 Ghana cedis, 55 Ghana cedis, right? So let me just head on to the my message here, and you can see that I've actually received the 455 Ghana cedis right here. As you can see right here, payments received for 455 Ghana cedis right here in my wallet. So this game actually pays, but that's not the only website that you can use on your mobile phone to make money. So if you want to find about the next one, then make sure that you subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so that you receive any video that I upload on this particular channel. So now check out this video here to find out about more special ways to actually make money online. Peace, and I'll see you in the next video.